What happens with accident reports and rental cars? Have you ever wondered what steps you need to take if you get into an accident while driving a rental car? It can be a bit confusing, but understanding the process can help you navigate it smoothly. When an accident occurs with a rental car, the first thing you should do is report the incident to local law enforcement. This is important because an official accident report is often required by insurance companies to process claims. While you are at it, make sure to seek medical attention if you need it. Next, you should notify the rental car company as soon as possible. Most rental companies will requiring you to fill out their own incident report. This report will ask for details such as the date, time, location, and a description of what happened. You will also need to provide information about the vehicles involved and the parties present. From an insurance perspective, your personal auto insurance policy may extend coverage to rental cars. This usually depends on the specifics of your policy. If you have collision coverage on your personal vehicle, it typically covers damage to the rental car as well. However, it is essential to check if your policy includes rental car coverage and to understand your deductible. The deductible is the amount you will pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. If you did not purchase any extra insurance from the rental company, your personal insurance will usually be the primary coverage. On the other hand, if you opted for a collision damage waiver or loss damage waiver from the rental company, this could limit or eliminate your financial responsibility for damage to the rental vehicle. This might also reduce or avoid your deductible payment. In cases where another driver is at fault, their auto insurance should cover the damages to the rental car and any liability claims. To prove fault, you may need the police report, witness statements, and other evidence. Regarding accident reports, your insurance company may handle filing the police report, but sometimes this responsibility falls on you. It is wise to clarify this with your insurer. Additionally, you should document the accident thoroughly. Take notes, photos of all vehicles involved, the accident scene, and any relevant details. If there is damage to the rental car, you will likely need to file a collision claim with your insurance company. The rental company will also be involved in assessing the damage and coordinating repairs. If you have rental reimbursement cover as part of your policy or purchased it from the rental company, your insurance may cover the cost of a replacement rental while the damaged vehicle is being repaired. To summarize, here are the steps you should follow. Report the accident to the police and obtain an official accident report. Notify the rental car company and complete their incident report. Contact your personal insurance company to report the claim and understand your coverage. Determine who is financially responsible. File claims as necessary. And document all details and communications thoroughly. Knowing these steps can help you manage accident reports effectively and ensure that your insurance coverage for rental cars is applied correctly.